morning, everyone. It's SparklingChar, and welcome back to my channel. I was just coming in to show what I was doing for Saturday morning makes. It's so funny. I did a lot of fussy cutting on Saturday, and um, I was intending to show what I had made the week before, the last, the Saturday before this Saturday. I had did a lot of I made, I showed it on my Instagram the day I posted for Saturday Morning Makes. It's a recipe book. So I was just coming in and do, excuse me, do a quick flip through. But as I was doing all this fussy cutting, guys, oh, it was so much fun and so relaxing. Is that I was watching the collabs that was going on that started for the weekend. Like the Christmas Craft Off hosted by Rach and Bella. Oh, that is so amazing. And then I watched the YouTube Hop, which was hosted by Decorate Your Life Sandy and Jenny from Craft Creations. Those creators blew it out the water. I mean, so nice. Beautiful paper, everything. So I was really, really enjoying that as I was fussy cutting. So let me do a quick flip through right quick of the book that I made last Saturday. What was it? No, October 29th or 28th, something like that. So this is the recipe book that I made. And I guess I could like leave my little fussy cuts here so you can see. And I have a little charm here that I got from Hobby Lobby. The little boot, some, what is it, gingham ribbon. And just a little plethora of everything, saying baking recipes. That's a sticker. I love to bake. And some more little fussy cuts that I cut out. And then inside is different recipes. These are digital recipes. They are so cute. I just put this one in here like this, just to slide it in here. It's a candy cane pie. And then we have more fussy cutting. You get a lot of fussy cutting in here. Butterscotch pie. Am I in frame? Yeah, okay. And the book I made, I hadn't used my cinch in a long time, so I pulled out my cinch and made it like this. Then you got Buckeye Fudge, some bandies called Lady Fingers, more fussy cutting. Some banana pudding, cherry yum yum, more fussy cutting. Best toffee ever. Now this was a two-part recipe, so you got what you need on this side and how to prepare it on the right side. Then we have a breakfast casserole, and then this one check mixed trail, which we all done did that before, which is so delicious. Then we have Poodle, go sit down. That's the little dog. And then we have the dirt cake recipe. We have eggnog pie, more fussy cuts. This is gingerbread cookies. That's what you'll need. This is how you prepare it. Then we have gingerbread bar with cream cheese frosting. And I got a little sticker here. What you need and how to prepare it. Another thing. And then we're going to flip this recipe up here because then it tells you how to make the frosting. So this was a three-part recipe here, but it was so simple, so easy to put all this together. And this is the graham cracker coffee bar, a fussy cut bowl. And we have some ham and Swiss mini rolls. That sounds delicious. We have homemade turtle clusters, what you will need and how to prepare it. And then here, another one. We have the Hershey Rich Cocoa Fudge, what you need and how to prepare it. We have layered peppermint bark, the ingredients needed, and then how to prepare it. So this book is full of recipes. We have Christmas candies. And then on the back page, you got a lot of little fussy cuts that I put in here. And then you also get like the blank recipes that you can, put your own little spin on. More little fussy cuts. So cute. And this one down here, I put on the pocket candy cane lane. And then, oh, sorry. And then I got the back here. This is on the back. So yeah, so I had so much fun creating this. Thank you guys for stopping in and take a look at this Saturday morning makes that I did week before last, which is hosted by Jill Norwood. And also, if you get a chance, go and take a look at those collabs. They are so awesome. The creativity is out of this world, and I just cannot wait. I will follow the month-long Christmas craft off, and I'm picking up so many ideas because I'm new to journaling, and I'm loving it so much, to making journals and everything. And I know you guys are probably tired of me showing my little journals that I'm making, but I am learning so much. Again, the best time of the year. And then the other one, which comes out to be my favorite, Twinkle and Sparkle. So I'm learning this as I go along from everyone who's been doing journals for years. So thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoy your week. And of course, remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.